we wash them and we wash them and you rag them. Car wash for good cause. Wow.
Dirk and Hulk, what's the jib jab here?
What? You guys, you filthy animals, Redneck, what happened? Oh, you look like you got a bomb blow up in your face.
Hey, I'd like to contribute to the worthy cause.
Oh,
For the cause, right?
I know somebody needs a little cleaning here. Get on out there, Hulk.
Yep, let's do it.
We're up here in Hollywood, you know what I'm saying?